All right, y'all. So look, this is my third time recording this, right? But at least I did practice. So look, what I'm about to teach you today is the key of time. Basically teach you the ancient secrets of time and what time really means. Okay, so we're going to start off with understanding that this is the Emerald Tablets. This is ancient text from ancient Egypt, from the ancient Egyptian god Thoth, which is also Dahudi. So, and also Hermes. So look, basically, he asks his teacher, "O master, what is time? Know ye, O thought in the beginning, there in void in nothingness, a timeless, spaceless nothingness." So this means before there was anything created, all there was a void, empty space, nothing, not even space, just emptiness. No space, no nothing, no time, no nothing, right? So when a thought came about, so and into the nothingness came a thought, purposeful, all pervading, and it filled the void, right? The thought of creation came, the manifestation of creation came, and because it had a purpose, it filled the void. There existed no matter, only force, a movement, a vortex, or vibration of purposeful thought that filled the void, right? So then thought questions, he says, and I questioned the master, saying, "Was this thought eternal?" And the dweller basically said, "In the beginning, there was eternal thought, and for thought to be eternal, time must exist. So into all pervading thought grew the law of time," right? So the only way you can ask if something is eternal, the only way you can use eternal as a way of measuring how long something is, the only way to measure that is by having a form of measurement, which is time. So the only way you can figure out how long your shoe is by using foot, by using a form of measurement. So the only way we can tell how when we reach a level of eternity or through different, time frames, the only way is by having a law of time. The only way is by having the measurement of time. Now check this out. Time changes not, but all things change in time. For time is the force that holds events separate, each in its own proper place. Time is not in motion, but ye move through time as your consciousness moves from one event to another. So think about time like a book, a chapter, right? So your book is your story, and your chapters is the time. That's the only way you can check out different time frames, different measurements, and understand that time does not change, but things can change in time. So events can happen in time. My hair can change in time, but the idea of time cannot change, meaning that chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4 will not change, right? Because there's still a chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. There's still a beginning, middle, end. But what happens in the beginning, middle, end can always change, and it will always change because things happen over time. Things change over time. You grow, you know what I'm saying? So understand that as a thing that you can think about, reflect on it, meditate on it, and tell me guys what you think.